I'm doing an unboxing of this Metro Vac little blaster sidekick. It came with this adapter or accessory for free. That was my reason why I went through metrovac.com. So let's see how it comes. So it's sealed, and it's just an unboxing just to show you how it comes with. Oh, so he's got some staples here, so you gotta be careful. So this one I got just for wheels and engine bay, smaller. Okay, instructions, but so it comes with. I like that little box. It comes nice little box. We'll drop the. It's like a rubbery little tip. It looks pretty safe, so if it hits anything in the car, but I want to make sure nothing comes in here. So it comes well packaged. I've been wanting one of these because the Eagle, I'll explain that in a little bit. Sometimes you want clean. Oh, there's a filter right here. It's got the little legs where you stand. Old school switch. It's kind of satisfying. So imagine the tip goes here. You blow the hot, warm. I imagine warm filter there. Let me take this off. Maybe you put this way. Well, the tip. Oh, so I guess I put the tip here. And then maybe it's got a little hole right here. Maybe I cover that. Oh, I do cover that. And I put this through here, and so you have like an extension. Maybe you have it one arm, or you know. But I mean, the extension came for free, but I could see myself using this in the engine bay where I hold it on one side maybe. But for now, the reason I bought it is just for like this, for wheels. So it does got a little weight on it. I could feel it. Thought it was gonna be lighter. It feels premium, sturdy. And here's the filters. The air filter maybe comes through here and then blows it out here. Let me, so the reason I got this, because I got the Eagle, and sometimes the Eagle could be heavy, and maybe you just need maybe for smaller jobs. I could use this for the wheels. Obviously this one's a powerhouse. It's overkill. It's the new one, 880, but with this one, I could usually use one hand and just blow the wheels, or something small where I don't want to carry this big one. This one come into play for smaller job, maybe rinseless job. So let me connect it. I'm pulling on the electric hose reel, so it comes in different sizes. I picked the short. I picked the short one, so when I put it away, I don't have all that long cord to put away, since I'm going to use electric cord reel anyways. So I'm going to plug it in. So, the only thing I can see, I got to be careful with this. Maybe use another extension where it doesn't have this bulky thing, but for now, I'm just going to test this out, see how it works. Oh wow, it's pretty strong. It's pretty strong. So it's supposed to blow warm, filtered air. Yeah, it's pretty loud. I noticed it's loud. It's a little bit more powerful than I thought. So yeah, it's gonna come in handy for when I don't want to bust out the Eagle and I just want something quick. Yeah, this one. I mean, I wish it was battery power, but for the price, I got the electric cord laying around on jobs, so this will be on my final stage of the wash when I'm just drying. But if I'm busting this one out, I'll probably bust it out like when it's for wheels or something smaller. Obviously on something bigger I would use this, but you know, where this comes into play, you know what I'm talking about, where you just want something quick and small, this will come into play. But I'll do a review later. I just figure I'd do an unboxing and I'll let you know how it works. I'm looking forward to using it. It's actually more powerful than I thought. It blows. Watch. Oh wow. So it comes with this tip too. I mean, maybe, yeah, I guess this one. It fans out the air more, but I think this is the one I'm gonna use. Target. Yeah, I'm very surprised of how strong it blows air. So it's little, but it got some kick to it. All right, once I wash the car, I'll do a review on this one.